How to add stories on Signal app. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create or add stories on your Signal app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Signal app, and then once you're on your Signal app, here in the bottom right side you will see stories. Tap on it, and then here to create your own story, tap on here my stories. Then here tap on continue, then give permission, and after given permission here your camera will open. So if you want to add a photo or video from your phone's gallery, tap here. Then from here you can select what photo or video you want to add, and if you want to add a text story you can here tap on text and you can write anything you want. If you tap here you will get the option to paste the link. And so this is how you can add stories on your Signal app. Thanks for watching.